Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindanos, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows 11 or Windows 10 update error message 0x80240438, and it shows there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this will help kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings, ang next step, dito lang sa options under nito ay sinik mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, dito lang sa most frequent, under nito ay sinik mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And then dito lang sa right side, i-click mo lang itong run. And then wait natin na ma-complete din yung diagnostic detecting problems. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step ay close lang natin to. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag ng command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm /online/cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-paste dito kung paano ba natin yan i-paste. So dito lang sa taas, so right click ka lang, and then sinik mo lang dito yung edit, and then sinik mo lang dito yung paste, and then press mo lang yung enter, and then next, kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, ay type mo lang yung sfc /scan now. So in all is more letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan lang natin na hintayin ulit na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito ng verifications 100% complete. And then next step ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu, and then click mo lang to restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix error code 0x80240438. There were some problems installing updates in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.